Hey guys, you may have remembered that I went to the All Shined Up car wash, which had three car washes in a row. When I was going back, I noticed this place. This is called the Clearview Car Wash in the Hanover area of Pennsylvania. And I'm going to be getting, let's see here, we got 4 packages. Pause if you'd like to read from here. I'm just going to get a package, guys, because it's an older car wash, and when we get our package, we'll be good. We will be ending the exit of the car wash. This place is a little small. This is interesting, guys. By the way, guys, I just want to let you know, we're just going to get the basic package, but the next car wash, or car washes that we're going to do, are very cool to the point that we will do the top washes. So please stay tuned. If you do not like just getting the basic package here, I understand. But please know that I am just a car wash collector, and I am not just and I'm not really a car wash reviewer, if you guys know what I mean. I hope you all understand, and I hope you still enjoy this video. Thank you. Hey guys, just to let you know, I'm not going to play the video as well until we are aligned on the conveyor and good to go, everybody. Alright guys, we are already aligned on the conveyor, and look at this tunnel. I mean, this is very neat. And the dryers I see over there look very neat as well, everybody. Well, actually, we're giving the man... Oh, we're gonna give this guy a little tip, guys. Alright, everybody. Whoever knows in the comments what type of wash this is, please let me know. The dryers are very cool and have flexi pipes, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to pause it for a little bit until the guy actually let us through. But look at that. That dryer over there is very cool. Alright, so now we are going in. Alright, we're going in. Let's see what we get for 12 bucks. This place looks like an older place. And look at this place, guys.
So what kind of system is this?
It might be a Hanover. This is a really interesting mini tunnel here. Show something here. So we're getting our pre-soak. I'm just gonna see what's going on here. I'm using my wipers just a little bit so that we can look at the system itself in here. Holy cow, guys! Look at those brushes on the sides. Look at this, guys. I don't know what type of system this is. This is an interesting one. And guys, look at those brushes there on the sides. Looks like it looks like a Ryko R7B. I don't know what this is. Look at this. This is so neat. And now we're getting an old top brush. There's kind of the counterweight towards it. Guys, look at this old dryer here. This is getting very close here. Look at this, everybody. This is neat. Okay, we're good. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Oh my gosh, that was an amazing tunnel.